So by now you've watched our video on the principles of sitting. You'll remember two of the key principles were a slight angle forward on the seat and at a height in which your hips are higher than your knees. So think of your own car seat. How does that look? In most cars, it's the opposite, angled backward and way too low. In fact, it's largely impossible to get most car seats high enough because there isn't the headroom and we don't want your neck having to bend or stoop. But having said all that, if we get the right angle and combine it with the best height your car can allow, it'll make a huge difference to your posture and your comfort and significantly better support your unwind. Now, your car seat controller won't be able to optimize your position on its own. We absolutely recommend the Abca seat wedge. Don't get a soft one from the pharmacy. They can be worse than none at all. Simply place the wedge into the dip part of the seat and notice how much more upright you feel. By the way, the wedge is way better than the folded towel, but towels are the next best option. Given car seats vary so much, you'll have to pay attention to get the angle just right. Some seats will need to be in their maximum forward tilt, plus a towel, and then the seat wedge. For others, with the seat in full tilt, the wedge will be too much, so you'll have to lessen the tilt a little.
The next part is to angle the backrest. The main focus is support what you've just created. Too upright and you'll feel pushed forward. Too far back and you'll buckle your posture and stretch your head forward to compensate. Like with all this stuff, how do you know you've created the right position? Use the slump test. Breathe in, out, relax, let your body slump. You're looking for a position that holds you relatively upright when relaxed and allows a full deep breath. You should have as little tension in your neck, your mid-back, your lower back as you can manage. Now you have the right seat position, let's look at the headrest. Many headrests jut forward and push your head forward, which works against our goals. Even a slight awareness of the headrest by the back of your head will make you move away from it. So tilt it back a little, or in some cases, flip it right around. Do, however, keep in mind that for your safety, you must have a headrest never be further than 10 centimeters away from the back of your head when sitting comfortably. Once you've adjusted the headrest, test again by using the slump test. You should feel upright and you should have as little tension through your entire body as possible. Finally, make sure you're close enough to the steering wheel so you don't have to pull your head and shoulders forward to reach it. These simple tips can make a huge difference to how comfortable you are in the car, as well as look after your spinal alignment so you protect the changes that we're making in the office. Thanks for watching.